for a while, and I have a magic trick to show you. When I snap my fingers, there's something going to be behind me, or not behind you, or behind there. 3, 2, 1. It says fidget toys. Those are my favorites. Let's bring it to the couch and I'll show you what I got. See how many boxes there were. Oh, there's one. And another. Let's start opening it. First, I'm going to open the blue one. Hi guys, I'm going to show you a magic trick. If I snap my fingers, there will be a package. I tried it before. It worked. 3, 2, 1. Now, it worked again! There's fidget toys. Let's see what I got. And I know who it's from, I think. Oh, I think it's from my cousins because they said they would get a package from Hannah, Anna, and Jeremiah. Let's see what they gave. Let's open this blue box. Whoa, there's so many fidget toys in here. Oh, I got a pup too. Let's see what else I got. I'm gonna put out magic. Ooh. Now put these toys where your fidget spinner. Now we have another one of these. It's still spinning! That's so cool. Now I have this basketball squishy. It comes with different things like the football, a Saturn thing like a globe, and then, ooh, I love these. Look. I got, these are like puzzles where you take the ball and then you try to take it out to get to another mission. Like this. And then you go like boom, and then you can turn it, go like that. I have a ton of these. I have 3. And these. Okay, now these are fun. I got Marvel and Mesh. They have Marvel and there's a Mesh. Oh, here's some push pops where you push them and they pop. I have a ton of these right here. When you push them, they pop. See that? There's a ton of shapes and stuff. I just did magic. Let me put it right here, and let me show you how it does. You put it down, and then you push it. And then when you put it like the other side, it pops so hard. There's a loud side and a low side. There's even a unicorn one. See that? There's different shapes. There's even a shark one. And then let's see what else I got. Oh, I love these. These are like noodles named monkey noodles. There's a ton of these, and there's colors, a type of colors you can get. Let me show you, wait a second. Okay, I'm going to show you monkey noodles. They're so fun. They're fun than I'm gonna get these and I'll show you. You take it, you go like that, and you stretch it out. Like that. It's so fun, you can waggle them around. But their real name is waggle snakes, where you snake it like that. And these are so fun. You can just do that with your fingers and hands. And then you put it on your hands. You can do that. These are so fun. I have a ton of these. And these are real snakes. They're called snakes because they look like snakes. You just do that and make different shapes. I have a lot of these. Ooh, I didn't know I had this popping. I never noticed. I thought there was no pockets left. It's a ABC learning pocket. And it has the numbers. That's so cool. I didn't even notice that. These fidgets are the fun. And when you attach them together, you can make a giant snake. There's 2 dots. You can't see them. When you do that, you can attach them on, and then they make different big shapes. Now I need to show you my small remote. You do like that. It spins and turns. Buttons. That spins. These little things on the side. And then this, you erase with that. And then if it goes, you lose. And there's a smooth side. So fun. And then now I'm going to show you infinity cubes. They're like cubes, like a Rubik's cube, but they're like this. They go like these, and then you just flip them like a Rubik's cube, but you flip these. I have 2. They're cool. You can even do them with one hand. You do 2 of them, like that. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite fidgets. It's named Stress Balls. This is a Neato. A Neato's like a stress ball, but out anything, just foam-like things, and they're color changing. There's blue, pink, every color. You just do that. And I have an Orby stress ball. You do that, and it's so fun. It's so fun. You can just squeeze them together and then put them in the air. Even bounce them. I'm going to show you how it's going to look. And now I'm going to show you simple dimples. They're like these. I'm going to show you. I have 2 of the 4 of these. You just pop them like pop it. And then I'm going to show you our fidget spinners. These are simple dimples. Okay. These are like fidget spinners, but they're simple dimples. But some of these are dimple digits. Dimple digits are a little bigger. They call that because they don't want to make exact same name as simple dimples and dimples. Now I'm going to show you one of my favorites, Rubik's Cubes. When you have them, you have it in different patterns, like red, blue, any like that. And then when you try to fidget with it from a little, it mixes up a little. And then you have to solve it. It's so hard. But the big one is easy peasy. But you just have to make like states with the colors. I made the black and blue American logo. You can just make shapes and stuff with the Rubik's Cube. And I even have this one. It doesn't really work because it's so hard with the white ones, but these two are better. Now, these are better. I have 2 more of these. Okay, now I'll show you Marvel and other mesh, because these are not any Marvel and mesh. These are better Marvel and mesh. These, the other one I showed you, that was not a Marvel. That was plastic Marvel. This one's a real Marvel. You can even do that. That's cool. I have another snake. This snake is better because it can make any type of shape, because look. It's so cool. Oh, these are better. Look, I have animals. These are cool animals. They're mochis. Mochis are so cool. I have a ton of mochis. Look at that. I have so many pets. Look at my pets. This one is broken. Look at how many pets I have. They're cool. You can even stick them on your arm. Let me show you some more fidgets. Ooh, these are fun. These are wacky tracks. You do that and then you can make different shapes. You can go like boom. Then put boom. 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 And then make different shapes like this. And then make it into a circle. Like that. I'll show you fidget spinners. Look at this. I can do 2 of them at the same time. It's cool. I have another what do you call these? The pop tubes. They're so fun. They're so fun. Really fun. I'm gonna show you music. These are better monkey noodles. So you know what? I'm gonna show you a magic trick. Look, I'm stitching it. There's just a little tie knot, but it can come off, and then what happened? Whoa, guys, look what happened. When I let go, it went like boom, and then it went back, and it tied because I saw it went like boom, boom, and then this piece came that way, and then I saw it went like so hard that it went like boom. That was so cool. These are better. Now these are so fun. Look at these. Guys, I'm going to show you all of my fidgets now. Let me dump them. Whoa, this one's a black one. But it changes color sometimes. Look, it just changes color. See that? It's so cool. Oh, sometimes it's pink and then it'll come on your fingers. Now I'll show you my other fidgets. Oh, Andy Fisherman. Okay. These are a lot of fidgets. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, puzzles. I love puzzles. Ooh, fidget spin. I didn't see that. Oh, no. My teeny papa. That's okay. Okay. Look at that. That. These are all my other fidgets. Okay, this one's an Angie pressure wing. This one's a soft cube. These are better, and then these are one. This one is glow in the dark. This one's green, and then there's so many other things. And this is a pea popper, and this is a spike chain. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye. Boop boo doo. Ah! I wish my friends a Merry Christmas. Bye. Da-da. Ooh. Thank you for watching it. Boop boo doo.